Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create recurring tasks in Asana. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your Asana web application, which of course you've done right here now. If you do not know how to create an account in Asana, I'm going to walk you through that process. Okay, so launch in a browser of your choice. All right, top corner, you're going to find the search bar of your browser. In there, type asana.com. It's going to take you to the official website. Now, once you get right there, all you need to do is to follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. And of course, once you're done, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage in Asana. Now let's hop into today's task, which is pretty much simple: how to create recurring tasks in Asana. So at this left corner, I'm going to head over to my project. So that means you really need to have a project already created, so you can of course select the tasks, all right, that you want to work on. So right here I have a task and it's draft project brief, and I want this task to, I want this to be a recurring task. So right here you're going to see this icon right in the body, that's calendar. Just go ahead and click that, and now you have your start date. So I'm just gonna have to set a start date for this project, which is let's say 1st of December, and so that's it. And then the due date is definitely going to be, let's say, 3rd. No. That's start date 1st, so 1st to 3rd. Okay, so that's just gonna be it. And so if I want this to be recurring, or if I want this to be a recurring task, all I have to do is to head over to set to repeat. All right, this icon, so I'm gonna have to look for this icon and then click set to repeat. Now you can repeat this right on all the days of the week. So this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can repeat this task every Sundays or every Mondays. You can just toggle this off, or you can just set it to every Wednesdays. Okay, so that's weekly, or you can just toggle all of them. All right, and then head over to this if you want to change this. So you can scroll that, and then you can make it monthly. So you make it monthly, you can say on the, all right, first, all right, and then of every month, all right, and that's this gonna look like Sunday, or in the day. So this is on day, okay, let's say this is 1st, so 1st Sundays, all right, so 1st Sunday, or you can make it every 2nd Sunday. All right, so that's how you can do. So you can even change this, all right, and make it yearly, make it periodically, or even make it every 3 months. That's quarterly. All right, so you can just make it this, and then just of course make it to be quarterly, like, or even bi-weekly. So you can say weekly, and then you can even make it, so that's just cool, monthly, and then you can make it yearly, and that's all. So you can just of course like navigate through the process, or navigate the process and then just explore the features until you have exactly what you want. But this is how you can make a task a recurring task in Asana. It just sets to repeat, and then that's all you need. So I'm just gonna have to click on clear all because I'm gonna have to go back. So this is, you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.